Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest maze room hack in Fish It Roblox. So if you're tired of wandering in circles in the Barred Cove maze, you can just follow what I do in here. So I'm going to show you a super easy hack that will lead you to the dead skeleton NPC and the treasure room every single time. So once you enter the maze room, you just need to find the rocks that can help you to climb the maze until you see the top of the maze like this, like I do in here. And then you can just here jump on each of the maze until you reach the end or the treasure room. So after you reach the end of the maze, at the top right here, you can just go down and you'll find the treasure room at the end. So that's the easiest hack to get to the pirate treasure room. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.